بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Last month, I went to Lahore to see an exhibition or fair. It was an industrial show. The display was bathed in strong lighting. I entered it with a group of buddies. The entire location appeared to be a city of lights. On all sides there were lines or rows of large showrooms and exhibition halls. The entrances were adorned with large posters depicting life-size models of machinery and their components. The industrial and commercial items at the booths, open stores, were quite attractive from a distance, as they gleamed in the sun in their vibrant colors. At night, the dangling electric lights added to the beauty and allure of the merchandise. We noticed a large store for bicycles and motorbikes as we approached the fair. We were drawn to a variety of bicycles manufactured by Pakistani manufacturers. I was taken aback by how lovely and exquisite they were. The next stand at the show was for electric fans made in our country. Our country's fans were even superior than those made in certain other nations. 12 engines were in another stall. On the engines, certain information was printed in large characters. The stand where Pakistani jeeps and automobiles were shown was the most intriguing section of the expo. I observed several beautiful tiny and medium-sized autos in a variety of colors. There were a few stalls with various types, varieties of cotton and woolen cloth on display. The fabric was wonderful, and I was assured it was of export grade. Machine and hand-knotted rugs were displayed in one corner. Seeing wonderful, colorful carpets hung in a large showroom was a lot of joy. The carpets and rugs arranged in size and quality and were equivalent to Iranian and Afghani carpets. I attempted to get a huge carpet for my bedroom, but was unable to do so due to lack of funds. I got a medium-sized rug at a significant price on the seller's recommendation. Different industrial goods of the country, such as transistors, radios, TVs, fountain pens, machines, motorbikes, surgical equipment, computers, and so on, were displayed in other portions of the expo. I bought a CD player and a couple of pens there, which suited my musical and writing needs for years. I learned how far my nation had progressed in the industrial area during the exhibition. However, I received the distinct impression that my nation was still far from being an industrial power. I have a great desire to attend future industrial exhibitions in order to understand more about our country's ongoing and rapid technological improvement. Attending international industrial or trade exhibitions is a good way to learn about our genuine industrial and scientific scenario. There, we will be able to compare our industrial and scientific advancements to that of other countries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends. Thanks.